In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see contacts on Facebook Marketplace. We will walk through the exact taps you need so you can quickly find the buyers and sellers you have talked to and review your conversations without getting lost in the main Facebook feed. First, open Facebook. On your phone, tap the Facebook app icon once and wait for it to load fully. You should see your usual Facebook home screen with the news feed in the center and a row of icons either along the bottom or the top. If Facebook asks you to log in, enter your usual details, and once you are in, pause for a second so the app can finish refreshing. When everything stops jumping around, you are ready for the next move. Now tap Marketplace. Look for the little shop front icon on the main bar of icons. On some phones it sits at the bottom, on others at the top, but the icon is the same. When you tap it, the screen switches from your feed to Marketplace, and you will see product photos, prices, and a search bar near the top. If you see lots of items for sale instead of posts from friends, you know you are definitely in the right place. From there, tap Inbox. The Inbox button usually appears at the top of the Marketplace screen, close to the search bar. It might show a small number badge if you have unread messages. Give it a tap and the view changes from item listings to a list of conversations. Each entry in this list usually shows a profile picture, the item title, a short preview of the last message, and a timestamp. This area is only for Marketplace chats, so nothing from regular Messenger threads appears here. Next up, choose the section that matches what you need. If you tap Buying, you will see sellers you contacted about their items. This list is handy when you want to double-check a price someone offered or confirm the pickup details they sent you earlier. When you switch to Selling, you will see buyers who contacted you about things you listed for sale. In that view, each conversation lines up with one of your items, which makes it easier to spot who is asking about which product. You can switch between buying and selling anytime without losing your place. Finally, open a chat to view the conversation. Tap one conversation from the list, just like opening a message in any chat app. The full thread appears, showing your messages on one side and the other person on the opposite side, along with the item details at the top. You can scroll up to review older messages or scroll down to see the latest reply. Any new messages you send from here stay linked to this Marketplace item, so you always know which deal you are talking about. So in this video, you opened the Facebook app, went into Marketplace, and used the inbox to see and open your Marketplace contacts and chats. If this helped you keep track of your Facebook Marketplace buyers and sellers, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple walkthroughs like this.